morning. Welcome back to Rec Outdoors. Very early on a Monday morning, we down in the wood yard. We had a heck of a weekend. Storms roll in. Had a tornado pretty close to our house in an area that we do a lot of business down at the lake end. I hope it ain't much damage down there. I haven't heard if there was any damage, but we didn't get a video out this morning, which is Monday morning, because of all the weather. But I got my chainsaws down here. We fixing to make a decision which log we want to cut up, and I don't rightly know. I got my 066 Stihl down here, and it is dirty. I did something I shouldn't really did. I couldn't find my bar oil the other day. I had it down here and I put some burnt oil in it, and all that does is just dirties up your saw. So I wouldn't recommend that. I got my 066. I got my new Husky 372, and I got my Stihl MS 391. That is my favorite go-to all around firewood cutting saw. It's just perfect when you don't need a big one. This here's got a 32-inch bar on it. I now have a 28-inch bar. That is a 3-foot bar. And I'm gonna turn it around. I'm trying to make room because we're gonna get some logs in here soon, I hope. But I got this big red oak right here. It's been here a while. And I think I'm gonna take the 066 Stihl because it has hopefully a good chain on it. I don't want to put my new saw into this because this has been here over a year. And I got another one back there. Both of them is kind of hollow in the middle, so I don't know what I'm gonna find when I get in the middle of them. But stay tuned. I think we're gonna work on this one first and see what it is. So stay tuned. A lot of dirt on it, folks. A lot of dirt. Time to crank up a little. How thick can we roll this roll? Without getting tractor involved. I don't think I can. Oh, but I can. There you go. Sweet. about how you chunk and dice, folks. I like to use this little saw to get on the backside where it may be dirt. I'm still running those chains I mentioned. Hadn't sharpened it first time yet. All right, I think I got my job complete. I got a bunch of rounds down here for my wife to work up. And hopefully she's gonna be down here in a little bit and we're gonna get started. So this is gonna be part 1 on Monday's video. You'll see it Tuesday morning. I hope you enjoyed it. My 066 saw had a medium sharpness to it. So I had to finish it up with the Husqvarna. But we got a lot of rounds here. I need to sharpen both of them really. But the 066 Stihl with a 3-foot bar on it definitely needs sharpening. A lot of, I think you could hear through the video, there was a lot of dirt on that log. And that'll take the sharpness out of it quickly. So it needs to be sharpened. But we got some nice rounds up here, nice red oak. Hopefully we're gonna get it done today. So I hope you have a great week coming. Y'all take care of one another. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all take care of one another. This is Rec Outdoors.